Hello friends, together, let's draw and color a red dragon. Let's get started. Let's begin by drawing the shape of its nose, head and lips. Red dragon can breathe fire. What would you do if you could breathe fire? Then, its eyes. Next, its two ears like wings. Look, red dragon has opened its eyes. Let's draw its two horns on its head. Next, its long neck. I'm drawing the shape of its body. Red dragon sometimes hides in caves or castles. Where is your favorite place to hide and play? It has scales on its body. Next, its hand. And its claws. Let's draw its two wings at its back. Red dragon is very brave, strong, and likes to help its friends. How do you show bravery? Lastly, its long tail. We're ready to add colors to Red Dragon. First up, we have color gray. Then, color pink. Next, color red. We have glitter purple. Wonderful! Red dragon's wings make it look dazzling. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.